Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free gems on PKXD. So let me just open it up and show you guys. So as you can see guys, look at my account. It's bad, but in the mod menu, I can turn on unlimited gems. So I just enabled it right here. So let's see if the gems start going up. Hopefully it works guys. And then I'm going to show you how to get this PKXD mod. So let's see what happens. All right, so no gem increase, right? But it could happen any moment now. So let's see. Will we get a gem increase? Yeah, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. It's iOS, Android, everyone's invited. So let's get into the tutorial. So all you got to do, guys, is go to your browser, type tweakmod.com, I believe. And then on this site, at the top, just go to the search bar, type in PKXD and press install. So before the mod downloads, there is a verification step. This is just where you have to download 2 apps and follow instructions. They're 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and download here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So it's super cool, guys. So we're just going to let it load. So let's just see what happens. All right. And then we're going to be all set, guys. So let's see what we get. All right. So it's loading up right now. And we just need to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, there's a huge list of apps. So like Underdog says down run for 30 seconds. Lucky Match says reach level 11. So you just want to make sure you do 2 of them. You're going to be good to go. Then you'll have the PKXD mod on your device. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to download it. So definitely try this one out for yourself. It's super cool. I'm going to see you guys later, though. So subscribe and peace out.